up the song right now.
He don't day here. AG baby, big fish. Adekunle gold in the building. On top, what's up, Naija with the boss very normally. How you day?
I day. Body day inside clothes.
You know what? First off, let's congratulate you on Kosoko Street. Now the latest one.
I did tell you.
Because you post on Instagram and I see him, you talk, say the city that raised me now carries my name. How does that one make you feel as a person?
I mean, imagine, say, where they go? Adekunle Kosoko Street.
You know,
na lifetime flex.
They go my street.
My name, they don't write my name in sand, in sky. Now it don't they signage.
Signage.
Yes.
Wow.
Now big blessing.
Because you know what, tracking it back to July, the Lagos State government, they changed some names, some street names, some bus stops. The one notably was Charlie Boy to Olamide Bado streets. What's your take on that one?
I mean, I don't even know the story. I didn't follow it until I saw it. I mean, I don't know the reason, so I no go speak on waiting.
Yeah, and talking about that, I remember say when they can't do they can't add the comment for there, say, I remember this person. I think I saw your name. They come like we asked this person Ayomaf, where they told Adekunle Gold, and then they can't really do them. They can't put up your name. Like it just means say people they see efforts, people they see things we don't do, and we'll just want to congratulate you for that, and then welcome to Yanga 89.9 FM. So we'll start with the first
time in this station, right?
How you take our studio?
Don't look this studio.
I just talk and see. I see everything fresh. Una get money.
Voila, deal.
Una get money.
You still talk about talk about money.
How I want beg now? I want beg him now.
I don't care.
Everything fresh.
My helper will help you.
Melanin, chocolate. You because no, una get money for you.
All
Camera
right.
everywhere.
Okay.
Listeners, una never see the studio, Abi.
Off his mic.
Camera everywhere. No off my mic.
Man, I know rub me. Okay, so talking of skin, and before we come up on air, you thought say you'd be person with a very, very intentional about yourself, taking care of yourself, and we see how you don't start with your, fitness journey. Waiting prompt you to start that fitness journey. Anybody don't tell you say, Omo, you too slim, or shake balani. Waiting make you do.
Talk about we say actually, say our people when they see you now your skin, now your weight they will face greet you. If you don't add, you don't add, you don't chop up, or if you don't lose weight, they say, what thing happen? And every time they always laugh because why is your first thought waiting happen? I mean, why you not think maybe at this person just they keep in shape, which is very good, you know. But yeah, I mean, I welcome all of it because honestly, but my own I say I want day very healthy, you know. Like I mean, my picking is 5. I want to be maybe when I reach 50, my specific career.
Oh wow.
Make a day fit.
Okay.
Make life sweet. I don't work all my life, and I won't be around for a long time. To enjoy all the wins.
Okay.
So let me make I stay healthy. Now why they work out 247 so that body goes this shape, everything. I go see if you run, carry, and also I'm a performer.
Okay.
I dey perform 2 hours on stage.
Make you know the pants.
Make I know sing song now. I don't go feel go on.
Yeah.
I do it. Like I do 15 nights in 1 year sometimes.
Wow.
And you need fitness,
energy. So
now why they.
So you don't talk about Fuji. Congratulations on
Thank
Fuji.
you.
I mean, over a million streams in the first opening. Like,
no be play.
No be joke. No be joke. So you don't talk. Say it began as an acronym. Finding uncharted journeys inside. You can't switch them to mean its literal meaning. How did that switch come about?
So it not be even switch like that because when I when I been write the album, right, I start with finding uncharted journeys inside because at that point I did try do other things where they give me joy. Okay. Because I realized I don't do music all my life, like since it's been 11 years since Shade. So I say, make I just try do other things where I really enjoy. So I can't take acting classes. I started to learn how to act. I did read more because I tweeted one time say I wish I found books earlier. Because I realized people will read book well. When they talk, you can hear. They have like a wealth of wisdom, and me say I want that thing, so I say make I dey read more. You know, I can't design more. I mean, I don't design all my life. I do my graphics, I do my poster, everything.
I mean, that's how the OGs know you.
They know,
you
this
know, but
thing.
I say make I start to design things the way me I like. I love sunglasses, so I started to design my own.
Great.
So this thing where I wear now, my own design.
Okay, so we go get a copy now because
I don't understand.
You see, this one I see prototype for now, so I see the test now.
Oh,
you know,
it
to make
looks
sure
nice.
everything.
Test it
so
on me,
sense.
it's okay, sir.
So even my earring where I wear now my design.
Wow.
So people like this one too. So all these things go come out, you know. So now where the album start from me, and the sound where they make now Fuji inspired. So I just say, you know what? Instead of calling it the long name, I just call them Fuji.
Wow.
And Fuji because I want to make the world know the sound where I grew up on, because I grew up for Lagos. They bought me for Lagos. That sound where we say I listen to growing up. You get them for my voice. Not the way I won't sing for this life. Where you know the.
Yeah.
When I sing R&B, I go sing that with my Fuji voice.
True.
So I just want to make the world know waiting.
Yeah, this is not the foundation.
The sound of Lagos, you know. Say Afrobeat to the world, it's nice, so but Afrobeat to the world, it get papa.
Great.
Fuji, High Life, Akpala, Juju, all of these things. Now why I call my album
Fuji.
But you know, say AG Baby no be Africa. AG na global name. AG Baby na global name. How do you think then go receive this indigenous sound where they peculiar to Africa?
Yeah.
When I give them good, they chop out. They chop out.
On general.
So anything where I give them, they go take.
Okay.
So
I mean, we don't testify. We don't say the numbers. That was the highest streaming ever.
True.
You know, for the first day. So it shows say people like them, and I don't see reviews. I'm thankful. Say everything where I do for like 5 years of making this album. People they love them.
Okay.
So talking of people, the next song we go listen to from Adekunle Gold from this same album with the hot so now many people like Fuji, and he collabo with
Ayefele.
Oh God. I said God, I beg. So make una just sit down. Carry your chair, sit down properly. More go listen to many people. And when we come back, question line up. Send us your question on top WhatsApp 0904-821-3013. Adekunle Gold still day for 89.9.
Ogaraya by AG Baby. It's your baby. you know they're part of this Fuji album, but this song blow.
Yeah.
It went viral, and everybody do challenge for this song. How does it make you feel when your song go viral? Because not be every song A-list artists they drop where they go viral.
Where people they carry for head.
You understand?
So it's for my own for my side, it's a blessing, because how I go sit down for a room, for one room or anywhere where I go write song, something where we say I just they try, right? Just they talk something
melody.
And I can't put them out, and people they sing them back to me, they do whatever things, and then you go party, people they play it will forever be a blessing. So I know they take them for granted at all.
Makes sense.
Nice one. So let's talk of your family, because I like the way we say you did communicate with your daughter. If I see on a video, you dey hungry me say make her finally marry.
You never ready, abeg. Just ask am the question.
Rest.
Ask am
calm down.
Think am first, then cost though.
I know.
Think am first.
You don't first also get money. Why are you looking down?
Okay, true. No vex. I forget.
Okay, so tell me, when we talk of family, what be that one thing where you go advise some of these artists where they think say baby mama is the surest way? Do you understand? For on top of the matter, you Adekunle Gold, you see me, you like me, una marry, una born pikin. You understand? So what's that advice? This one no be, I don't want you bias or waiting sincerely based on family man. Now we marry you, we get pikin, and you don't get friend, we decide to cut corners. What you get to advise them, because the gas here. you also talk to me too, because I see they weigh the options.
Waiting you the way actually.
Are they wait things?
I think so. Me, I know they advise people about skinny, because waiting work for me if you know work for other people.
Okay.
And I feel like people need to understand that, because it's easy to just sit here now say okay, see this is it. But me now waiting I want now I go for. Anybody want me they go for. Honestly, I think that's the best I can say.
So if I be your friend now, what you go tell me be that?
I mean, so now you say now I ask you say waiting you the way.
Are they waiting like?
So you never show of the babe. I be waiting. Because I don't say babes day.
Hey, you get for me at this show?
No, you where I see like this, you get babes.
Now that's the confusion. You say if you know.
I know, say you get babes. You get money, you fine.
Hey God, buy big go. Yeah, this thing go. They beg me after this show.
Stay waiting happen. I don't understand. Stay waiting happen.
Yeah, so I like say you answer them like that, like straight up. And we they look forward to you and your wife doing anything this year together, music studio.
I mean, you know, say me, we will know they until we're ready. We know they announce. So.
Yeah. Now one they shock us.
Okay.
Okay.
So Adekunle Gold, I mean, talking about you not advising people because if it good for you, if you know
no
good for
the
another
other
person. In 2020, NSAS, you spoke out.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think be the role of artists, influencers? Because now you be influencer. What is your role in social activism?
I mean, me, I've always been very vocal. Anything where they go on, where I don't like, where they affect me,
right?
And people, I go talk 'em. Me, I know they fear anything. I've always said it. So I feel like, and again, nah, what you they passionate about, you got show. Me, my own no be say I don't talk anything that time because say it a trend or something. Now because it they affect me. Now because say the thing where they go on, no, it no supposed to happen. Now why I talk and if anybody feel like that too, they should. I mean, I feel like they should speak. That's why God give us voice,
right?
You know, to add to talk about what they go on with our people. And me, I will forever do that.
Yeah,
makes sense. Okay, Fuji don't come out. The reception has been.
Yeah, wow!
Everybody
the dance on top.
You know, some music video don't come out from the album.
No, they never even. I mean, aside Coco Money, Bobo, we don't shoot. We never even shoot. Now we don't even get confused now. Of course, if I ask you now, which one you like?
I want to ask you.
People like different songs. I'm like, okay, which one we go focus on now? But I mean, we see the think because now it's time to serve the people.
True.
I don't do the work of creating the album way. You know, now what people can they feel now? Okay, now we they think now.
You know what? Talking about your collaborations on this album.
Yeah. It choke.
From Yinka Ayefele to like it choke. So if, I mean you don't do something with Davido before and you can't bring them back
again.
So like was it intentional, the kind of people where you want for this album?
Now what thing I don't do since my very first album I only see me I get on top. And because that song it did very important. Now I put up. So all the collaborations what I don't do for my life now to serve the music, you know, to make sure say the artist where they call now somebody will go feel add to the song.
Right.
Because most time me I don't every song where I put people on I don't finish them on my own.
Yeah.
So
I don't finish them. I just like so some songs they go they say I just say I think I'm too much on this song. I want somebody else, you know. We go add
something different.
We get story to we go bring their own voice, their own story, their own idea to it.
Yeah.
And so most time everybody where I pick for this album and my previous album now the reason why I pick them.
But you don't ever feel overshadowed on your own song.
Nobody can out sing me.
Talk am again. I know.
Nobody can out sing me. So whatever everybody brings, they bring their own. Me, I they hold my own.
This is the way you talk now. 7 artists they cry. See nobody can sing you.
No,
even if you collab with somebody, no be your song, but they feature you. Do you ever feel say you they carry on top your head like you overshadow the person?
No, I don't. So that's why I don't think about it like that.
It's you just drop your own.
What's the point of competition? It's collaboration. We do song. The point of collaborating is to come together. Let's share story together and send that energy to the world. So me, I know they think say maybe it's person and maybe I the overshadow person or anything. But me say person keep no. It's not because what thing I they talk is I'm being honest on the song and nothing beats reality. You know. So
okay, so talking of reality, more talk of reality TV show. On Sunday, we see your performance for BB Naija finals, and the highlight of that very show now when you went on stage with your lookalike, that's Mensah. You know, and before now we don't see your tweets. We don't see some of you don't see some of his picture. You know, where like you get what the guy go do for us to go say Adekunle go not be happy with this thing.
Even though we know say you dey root for Ijoba 66.
You get
you
so
know we know say you dey root for Ijoba 66.
for life.
Okay,
so what was the feel like seeing that you see person where people say resemble you, you don't ever think say Mensah resemble you.
Make I tell you.
Honestly.
The first time we I see in picture, and I'm talking this Mensah thing and me, it don't not be today, we don't take. Since I'm talking since 2016, 2017, now I don't see in picture first. I first confused. I say,
who be this? You get to him?
Who be this boy? You know, one time I see in picture, I first look when I take this picture, I can't realize it obviously. Wow. So, but we don't know. So me and Mensah, we don't do something together. For 2022, my 2022 concert in Lagos.
Oh wow!
Where I wanted to do something where I appeared like in different places, right? Wow. So and because he looked like me, so we use Mensah too. So I don't meet him before. So when I come see say he go BB Niger house, I say no, this one I got support this boy. Because I genuinely also like him. The day where I meet him for a quote there, the way he follow me talk, say I just laugh. See, this boy is too funny. Wow. And everything way they do for the house, come funny. So I just catch cruise say I see waiting this boy take my face do.
Jesus.
You know. When he cry, when he do funny things, but the boy is generally fun. I like him. And of course, like we talk, Ijoba, Emisi, well deserved. So I just like support people that I genuinely like. That's it.
And the one part we sweep now when they want wine the guy make keys, the guy he not agree. He say I dey focus. The Isabella say do I say I not go agree.
Nah, people who will carry my face, we dey focus gone now. Why?
Wow. Clock that.
Adekunle Gold, if Fuji be person, describe him in 3 words.
If Fuji be person,
this one tough.
Legacy. Legacy. History. And music.
Great.
Okay.
Right. Nice.
Drop mic.
Music.
This one need this clap now. What do they play now? So I like the fact that you did deep in thought too. You get people who say go ask question responses. I know they try to shade some people, but I know say artists will get depth. You go know from how then they get conversations. So aside you, which other artists for Nigeria we go fit say comot music conversation wise then get depth?
I mean, I know they follow. It's not like I'm friends with everybody, but I mean the ones where me are they cool with. Where are they cool with? See Files.
Wow.
Files. Ladipo. Ladipo, these are people I enjoy talking to, and Davido. Wow. We have conversations, we talk about real life things. And
so you and Files they close.
Well, that's my boy. We're close. Yeah.
You are very close.
So
yes.
Let's just end it at that.
They are very close.
They are very close.
Sweetheart people, they are close.
No, but people know now.
They know now. People know now.
See this guy. I know where they go, but
when
people know.
Bloggers, they pay me because people don't know things beyond waiting and they see on screen. That question, when you talk Files, I wasn't shocked. Remember, I said we get conversation with Files, and just talking with him off air, it just shows that this guy gets depth. So yes, thank you for that. We're gonna wrap up on top of the matter because we get some songs I want to listen to. We did our album, what on the eye
sound another one. Let's hear.
And Love is an Action. You see that one? Love is an like, you know what? I picked that song.
Why?
You get 2 things we in core, 2 items we in core today for this show: glass and earring. As I look at, I say, that's an action. This is an item.
Wow.
Nobody say when they'll give me, go they beg me now. And they tell you something. So love is an action. We get artists wait to say love is not a feeling.
It's not a feeling.
Yeah.
This one an action.
You now your own now. Love is an action. Why did you use that title?
So like I talk for the song, I say when I love so hard. So I feel like love is like Kendrick talk, it's a verb, it's you got show, no be by mouth,
no be by mouth, no be
so no be cho, you got show working. So when I say for that song, the song, when I write the song, it was about friendship where some friendship where I lost in recent times, right? And I learned lesson, to just give back the energy that I receive. When I give something back, when I give something to you, I want it back, and if you know they give me back, there's no point. So I say when I love so hard with passion, but now I don't wise.
Yeah. So
I'm a different person.
The friendship now because of you or something happened on the other person's end?
It's so me. I know the person where they blame people. I just it's as a collective we had different roles to play. Who do more, no matter. But the breakdown communication don't happen, and I don't learn from them. And I welcome all experiences. It's popped up a part of life where you guys learn to do better next time, and all of those things. So, but now why I write the song?
All right, nice one. So, final word to your fans. Then we don't listen. The Fuji that dance we teach me. Now my shoulder don't they pay me, but I want to go to the gym to get better.
Yeah, I just want to say thank you, man. It's been a journey since Sade. We wanna see the ride with me. Where I don't try many things. Would those of now we stay say this boy, we believe in this boy. I say thank you. The people will leave. We don't they come back now. I still love you. I just want to say thank you for the love you they show me. I don't take it for granted. I love you now forever.
Wow.
Okay.
And listen to Fuji. Fuji is my best work yet.
Exactly. Baby.
Okay. Wait till I want to talk now. Let's hear Love is an Action.
All right, Love is an Action.
Let's
They
go.
come your way. Adekunle go. They on top the matter. 89.9 Younger FM station with Sabi. JC Talks the yeah.
Sasa.
Love is an Action. Ingo show am after this song.
We be 89.9 Younger FM.